Today, we have 33 confirmed positive cases in Arkansas.
Thank you and good afternoon. For our update today, we have 33 new cases who have tested positive for COVID-19 here in British Columbia.
Since this morning, and that brings the total right now actually to 33 deaths that were.
So today we have 33 new cases.
7 o'clock every morning, our most updated numbers of testing. So no, you can always go there to get the most updated numbers. So as of this morning, there were 33 cases in North Carolina.
33 students, in this Navodaya Vidyalaya in Kodagu. So what is...
As expected, the number of cases of COVID-19 jumps. A total of 33 people in our state have been tested and are confirmed to have the coronavirus. The map has also expanded.
Outbreak at the Latonia nursing home infects at least 33 residents. 7 of them have died. As David Winter found out, mass testing over the weekend revealed the cluster.
33 villages in Pasay City here in Metro Manila have been placed under a 2-week lockdown due to a surge in COVID-19 cases.
Good afternoon, I'm Karen Swenson. More cases and more events affected. Here is the latest coronavirus news. There are now 33 cases in Louisiana.
27 persuna riżultaw pożittiv għal COVID-19 fil-waqt li fl-istess perjodu.
Generic pharmaceuticals maker MSN Group on Thursday announced the rollout of the cheapest COVID-19 treatment drug, Favipiravir 200 mg at ₹33 per tablet under the Favilo brand.
Karnataka is observing a 33-hour lockdown across the state as number of COVID-19 cases are increasing.
33 new COVID-19 cases reported today, with 2 in the community. The remaining 31 were imported, and these included 7 Singaporeans or PRs and
force as COVID-19 cases start to make a vicious comeback in most states. 33 states have seen an increase in COVID-19 cases in the last.
So today there are a total of 33 new community cases.
Maharashtra alone has reported 17 of the total 33 Omicron cases in India.
Currently, 59 people are hospitalized with COVID-19, with 6 of these in intensive care units. In the last 24 hours, out of 4,017 new test results, there were 33 new cases.
Como cada mañana, el doctor Francisco Durán García, director nacional de epidemiología del Ministerio de Salud Pública, actualizó a todo el país sobre la situación de la pandemia del coronavirus.
हॉस्पिटल के 33 कर्मचारी कोरोना पॉजिटिव पाए गए हैं। हैरान करने वाली बात यह है कि इनमें से कोई भी कर्मचारी कोविड वार्ड में तैनात नहीं था। अभय पराशर की एक रिपोर्ट थी।
ఏపీలో కరోనా కేసుల సంఖ్య ఇంకాస్త పెరిగింది. గత 24 గంటల్లో 33 కేసులు నమోదయ్యాయి. మొత్తం కేసులు 2051కి చేరాయి. ప్రస్తుతం ఆసుపత్రిలో 949 మంది చికిత్స పొందుతున్నారు.
Government reopened schools for all classes in the state from the 2nd of August. Chairing a coronavirus review meeting, Punjab Chief Secretary Vinny Mahajan issued direction.
4,510 fresh COVID-19 cases in the last 24 hours. As a result, active cases currently stand at 46,216. The death toll climbed to 5,28,403 with 33 fatalities.
With 3,550 active cases in the province and 800 COVID-19 hospitalizations, authorities have stressed that community behaviour will be an important factor in delaying and keeping the third.
कोरोना का खतरा अभी टला नहीं है। लाहौर में 33 नए केस सामने आ गए हैं। तर्जुमान महकमा सेहत ने तस्दीक कर दी है। कोरोना के वार जारी हैं और लाहौर में 33 नए केस भी सामने आ गए हैं। तर्जुमान महकमा सेहत ने इसकी
Doug Profit, 33 beds will be available for those who test positive at Hill Creek Rehabilitation and Care Center. That's on Breckenridge Lane. Tonight, Gabriel shows us how they're preparing for it.
గ్రేటర్ హైదరాబాద్ ఐటీ సెక్టర్లో కరోనా విస్తృతంగా వ్యాపిస్తోంది. కొండాపూర్ ఏరియా ఆసుపత్రిలో ఒక్కరోజే 33 పాజిటివ్ కేసులు నమోదయ్యాయి.
ఇక ఆసుపత్రిలో వైద్య సిబ్బందితో పాటు వారి కుటుంబ సభ్యులకు వైరస్ సోకింది. కొత్తగా నమోదైన కేసులతో కలిపి మొత్తం 48కి చేరింది. ఆసుపత్రికి చెందిన వారిలో మొత్తం 95 మందికి టెస్టులు చేయగా అందులో 33 మందికి పాజిటివ్ అని తేలింది. ఇవి కాక మరో 15 మంది రిపోర్టులు రావాల్సిందని అధికారులు వెల్లడించారు.
Well, in breaking information that we're tracking at this point in time, because 33 more cases have been reported in IIT Madras today, which takes the overall count of COVID-19 positive cases.
Çin Ulusal Sağlık Komisyonu tarafından yapılan açıklamada Çin anakarasında dün 17'si yerel, 16'sı yurt dışı kaynaklı olmak üzere toplam
1,183,359. However, the number of COVID-19 deaths showed a slight decrease to 33 from 64 the day before.
The Ministry of Public Health has confirmed a batch of 33 new COVID-19 patients. Thailand now has an accumulated number of cases at 147. Spokesperson of the Ministry of Public Health, Dr. Rungrueng Kitpati, said that 33 new COVID-19 cases were roughly divided into two.
Meanwhile, the rate of hospitalization in the United States has increased due to COVID by almost about 33%. And worryingly, the number of deaths.
Latest figures show COVID numbers are holding steady. There were 33 new cases of COVID-19 in Canberra today.
Sehingga 12 Jun 2020 jam 12 tengah hari, terdapat 33 kes baru yang telah dilaporkan.
And Delhi logged its second case of the Omicron variant of the coronavirus as a traveller who returned from Zimbabwe tested positive. With this latest infection, India has so far logged 33 cases of the new variant that has sparked fresh worry worldwide.
Below 15,000 for the last 44 days now. Delhi on Saturday recorded its second case of Omicron, which is taking the total tally in the country to 33 after the variant was detected in a 35-year-old man with a travel history to Zimbabwe.
The tally to 4,30,10,922. The active cases declined further to 23,913 today. The country has also reported 33 COVID-related fatalities in the last 24 hours. The total death toll in the country is now. Today, India registered 1,829 new coronavirus cases in the last 24 hours, which is 16.6% higher than yesterday's count, taking the total caseload to 4,31,27,199. The country also reported 33 COVID-related fatalities.
Tonight, health experts say dangerous COVID variants could push the country to a powerful new surge in a matter of weeks.
We are going to see something like we have not seen yet in this country.
More infections, hospitalizations, and potentially more deaths because of highly transmissible strains. Now, in at least 33 states, the South African, Brazilian, and possibly more deadly UK strain, which is expected to dominate the country by March.
Shifting our focus now, hospitalizations in the United States due to COVID have increased by 33%. Deaths are up by 4.
And the state of Minnesota today reported 33 new COVID-19 related deaths, along with 4,000.
They keep going up and up and up, so something has to change.
Across the country, infections now on the rise in 33 states. Missouri is.
Now, trucking health stories. Beijing reported 33 new confirmed locally transmitted COVID-19 cases, with all found among those under quarantine.
Validation, we only found 9 new cases. So now we are correcting it, and again, we apologize. We have placed down or tinanggal na po namin yung post namin for this 35. Para po malinaw ngayon, this now we are officially saying we have new 9 cases, hindi po 11, siyam lang po, total of 33 cases now in the Philippines for COVID-19.
COVID-19 numbers on the Idaho State University campus is in Pocatello dropped this week after the highest week ever last week. This week, health workers are reporting 33 new cases on campus. That is down substantially.
33 personnel of the Border Security Force have tested positive for COVID-19 in the last 24 hours.
On a New Jersey high school that saw a spike in coronavirus cases last week, Glen Rock High School will continue with remote learning this week and will return to in-person instruction on Monday, April 19th. School officials say 33 high school students tested positive for COVID-19 after returning from spring break.
The state today reported 33 new COVID-19 related deaths, along with 3.
As the coronavirus cases continue to surge in India, the state of lockdown has been extended to 33 states and union territories. Now more than 600.
Bejn l-erba' u l-ħamis instabu 33 każ ġdid ta' COVID f'pajjiżna. Dan fil-waqt li fjuq 19 persuna biex bekk it-total ta' każi attivi
Ayon po sa pinakahuling datos, April 29, meron po tayong 1,619 na healthcare workers na naging positibo para sa COVID-19.
It's time now for Quick Takes by the Numbers, where we give you the numbers that tell the story. This morning's number is 13 million. More than 13 million doses of the coronavirus vaccine have been administered in 33 countries.
కుమారుడికి సోకినట్లు వెల్లడించింది. వైరస్ స్థానికంగా ఒకరి నుంచి మరొకరికి వ్యాపించిన నేపథ్యంలో తెలంగాణలో కరోనా రెండో దశలో ఉన్నట్లు వైద్య ఆరోగ్య శాఖ మంత్రి ఈటెల రాజేందర్ వెల్లడించారు. ఈ మేరకు ప్రైవేట్ మెడికల్
Tobago has recorded 33 additional new COVID-19 cases. According to the latest update from the Division of Health, Wellness and Family Development,
there are 33 states and UTs in the country which have less than 5,000 cases.
The state reported a decrease in COVID-19 cases today, but a rise in the number of new deaths. Today, 2,076 new cases, 33 new deaths. That's 6 more deaths than Saturday.
Switching gears and taking a look at where the latest COVID-19 numbers stand in our region. No new deaths have been reported in Southwest Virginia, but they did see 33 new cases. Tazewell County saw the most.
Hello and welcome to the Midday Minute. Here is the latest update.
All right, thank you, Dylan. Now here's the latest coronavirus case numbers coming from the Abilene-Taylor County Public Health District this afternoon. 33 patients testing positive, bringing...
We start in Du Bois County, where there is a big spike in cases of COVID as of today. 33 new cases were reported in the county.
33 new COVID-19 cases were reported by the Division of Health, Wellness and Social Protection in the last 24 hours.
Disney employee is claiming she skipped the line on the Pfizer vaccine rollout because of her connections. In a now deleted Facebook post, the woman shared a picture of her vaccination card from Redlands Community Hospital. The 33-year-old claims her husband's aunt is, quote, a big deal there.
In Bengaluru, authorities have clamped a 33-hour lockdown from Saturday to Monday morning. As Karnataka's capital has seen a surge in COVID cases, Bengaluru saw a massive spike, crossing the 1,000 mark in 20...
To COVID-19, let's take a look now at the latest COVID-19 numbers for today. The Erie County Department of Health reporting 33 new positive cases of COVID-19. This is in the last 24 hours.
Today's coronavirus numbers are some of the lowest we've seen in quite some time. 33 new cases and 0 new deaths reported.
Michigan and Detroit's COVID numbers on the decline, but still far from where officials hoped they would be. The state reports another 33 deaths.
In the COVID pandemic, Michigan is seeing a decline in its daily average of new cases and deaths. The state reports another 33 deaths and 420 cases linked to COVID-19.
North Carolina is also reporting nearly 2,900 cases of coronavirus. 33 people have died. There are